When most folks hear Ayia Napa, they think wild nights, foam parties, and neon signs lighting up the streets. And, well, they're not wrong. That's definitely part of the scene. But take a turn off the main strip, might wander a little, and you'll start seeing a different side of this place. One that's calm, a bit soulful, and honestly, kind of surprising. Ayia Napa's got layers. It's not just for partygoers, it's a town where ancient churches, wild cliffs, secret beaches, and old legends sit just minutes apart from late-night clubs and beachfront bars. Let's rewind a bit. The name comes from Ayia Napa, which translates to holy forest in Greek. Before the DJs and mojitos showed up, the area was a thick forest. Somewhere in there, locals found a cave with an icon of the Virgin Mary. Believed to be miraculous, that cave is still there, right beneath the old monastery in the center of town. The monastery itself, built in the 1500s from that golden Cyprus stone, there's a huge fig tree growing in the courtyard, and if you swing by in the early morning, it's actually quiet, peaceful even. Not long ago, this was just a small fishing village surrounded by farmland. Things started changing in the 70s when tourism crept east. Slowly, beach shacks turned into hotels, bars turned into mega clubs, and suddenly Ayia Napa was on the map as the place to party in the Med. But there's more than nightlife here. Take Nissi Beach, probably the most famous one. White sand, clear water, and a low-tide path out to a tiny island just offshore. During the day, it's chill. By afternoon, music, dancing, and a real beach party vibe without trying too hard. Then there's the sea caves on the eastern edge of town. Nature carved them over thousands of years. If you're brave, you can dive off the cliffs into the blue. If not, just sit on the rocks and let the view hit you. It's stunning either way. Ayia Napa's great at mixing moods. You can visit the monastery in the morning, check out the open-air sculpture park in the afternoon, full of wild art from around the world, then head to the Love Bridge at sunset, where couples lean in for kisses and photographers chase that perfect shot. And when night falls, the town flips into full energy mode. The square is where it all kicks off. Bars, lounges, mega clubs, each blasting its own vibe. Into hip-hop? Try Black and White. Want something massive and loud? Castle Club has multi-level dance floors and a serious sound system. Not a club person? No worries. Grab a cocktail on a rooftop, catch live music by the water, or just take a walk along the lit-up promenade near the harbor. There's something for every speed here. And the food. Start with grilled halloumi or octopus by the sea. Move on to slow-cooked lamb, kleftiko, or fresh seafood at local favorites like Isaac Tavern or Sage. Don't forget the local wine, or if you're feeling bold, a shot of Zvania, the island's no-joke firewater. For dessert, lukumades dripping in honey or flaky baklava with a view. Street food hits different here too. Late-night souvlaki wraps and halloumi burgers are practically a ritual after a night out. Ayia Napa also makes a great base for exploring nearby spots. Protaras is just 15 minutes away, more family-friendly, with Fig Tree Bay's calm waters. Larnaca's not far either yet, a chill coastal city with history, salt lakes, and fewer crowds. Or head inland to villages like Sotira or Lyopetri, where life moves slow and the food is homemade. At its core, Ayia Napa is a town of contrasts. It's got depth. One minute you're sipping wine under the stars, the next you're stumbling on a centuries-old chapel you didn't even know was there. It's loud and quiet, ancient and new, spiritual and totally wild, sometimes all in the same afternoon. Whether you're chasing music, peace, sunshine, or just something different, Ayia Napa meets you halfway, and once you see the sun drop behind those cliffs, you'll get it.